Okay, today we are going to look at how to turn in an assignment using Edomodo. There's two different ways. The first of which is if there's an assignment that's recently due that's in your wall posts, like this one here, example assignment 1, we can simply click on the turn in button. Once it loads, you'll get a screen that looks like this. It'll say who the assignment is going to, which class or group technically, the due date, and all that. It even gives you a chance to type a response in there if you want to. You don't have to. What's important though is the attach feature. This is where we are going to pick the assignment that we are going to attach and turn in. Now there's a few ways we can do this. The first is through a file. That's a file located directly on your computer. Think of maybe a Microsoft Word file. Another way we could is a link. This could be some kind of internet link, which could be a Google Doc that you're working with. And Google Docs is primarily what we will be using for most assignments. The final one, and the one we're probably going to use, is the library. So we click on the library, and what will come up is a screen that looks like this. I've went over what the library is in another video, and what we see on the left-hand side are a few different options. What we want to choose is Google Docs. Like I said, Google Docs is the main resource we will be using for our basic assignments. So if we click on Google Docs, what will come up is a list of all the things you have currently in your Google Docs, which will most likely be your assignments. I only have one. It's example assignment. So what I can do is I can simply click on the Google Doc I want and then click attach. And what we'll see now is example assignment is attached, and all we need to do to turn in the assignment is click on the turn in assignment button. It's going to take a few seconds to load. And then what we'll see now is that turned in by me is the example assignment, and it's noted as a Google Doc. What we'll also notice is it allows you to resubmit the assignment, so you can resubmit it. Maybe you want to change something, or maybe you need to go back and redo something. You're more than able to do that. The other way to submit assignments, let's go back to the home page. If we go back to the home and wall, well, let's look at this first. We'll notice that example assignment 1 is now turned in and is waiting for a grade. So it keeps you up to the minute, updated up to the minute with what the teacher is doing with your assignment. Another way we can look at what assignments we need to turn in is if we go to grades and click on the class, what we'll see is a list of your assignments. Once again, example assignment 1, and now we see it is turned in and it is waiting for a grade. If we hadn't turned it in yet, we would be able to click on it, and we can still click on it. And what you'll see now is the screen we just saw. It shows that it's been turned in, but it also allows you to resubmit the assignment. So Edomodo allows you a very simple way to submit Google Doc assignments and other assignments as well, and resubmit them, and also check on their progress to whether or not a teacher has looked at them, graded them, so on and so forth.